We head for the sky, it's alright.
Baby, baby Yoda, baby, baby Yoda.
If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright.
Maddie, say hey to YouTube.
You want to pull your mask down?
Hey, YouTube.
Tell them what we're doing.
We're going skiing.
We're going ski lifting. Yeah, ski lifting. Let's see. Daddy's gonna put his shades on. We're going up there.
We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright.
Mama's going to hold on to it extra tight.
Mama's terrified.
Yes, yes. Mama's like whitening some things right now.
Straight up we go.
Ready? No, I'm not choking it. I'm not
Poot.
choking you.
What you think, Poot?
I like it.
You like it?
Don't let the camera fall.
I won't. Daddy's got grip on it.
Dad's got grip on the camera. Mom's got grip on you.
Yeah.
Cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 Alright, so let's move on.
Maddie, tell YouTube where you're at.
On the vision, I'm scared.
What you scared for?
I could from the ground.
Cause what?
Because I'm down above the ground.
Let's show YouTube where we're at.
Oh, it's there.
Almost made it. When you run like that, you make it shake and people scared. That's why Mama turned around.
Going to glass.
Huh?
It's going to glass.
Go on the glass.
Come on, dear. Hey, you come on. Stop picking on me.
I only did that because my daughter comes to me like, I can't do that. Yeah.
Maddie, tell YouTube what we doing, where
We're
we
going
at.
down.
Down the mountain?
Yeah, and that's a hotel all the way over there.
No, hotel is way over there.
And then we're going on to the roller coaster all the way over there.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before.
Look at the cars, too.
I wonder if anybody's ever dropped anything like right there through the car.
Onto a windshield or something?
Yeah, that's so who's liable for that? The person's insurance, or do you think?
Probably them. Because I'm pretty sure there's a sign that says secure loose objects like cell phones and bags and such. I seen that when we walked up.
Maddie, I feel like this prop with your little peak on it.
You should get another one for my other.
No, we need to get you another charm for your other shoes so you match. It don't have to be a peak. We can get an M for Madison.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should put a lot of my ones for them.
The more you put on there, the heavier your feet gonna be. Now what y'all wanna do?
I wanna go on the ocean.
We'll go over there and see if you're big enough.
I'm fine. I'm big enough.
Alright, time to cut it off.
In mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again.